Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about new Power BI feature analyze. Okay, let's check this analyze option. First I am select clustered column chart. Click this clustered column chart and next select country and sales. Okay, next right click here, go to analyze, find where this distribution is different. Click here. See this, here are the filters that cause the distribution of sales by country to change the most. Okay, ranking results. Wait for few minutes. See this, now it's automatically created charts. Okay, see this discount brand, it's automatically showing for high record percentage, non-record percentage, low record percentages. Okay, see this, it's very awesome and super feature. Okay, and I wanted to create a chart high and low clustered column chart. Just to click here, press Ctrl, click here and press add button. It's automatically created chart. Okay, and next go to analyze. Okay, and next if you want to 6 months, okay, 6 months chart, just to select 6, press, it's automatically add and showing 6 month chart. And if you want segment, okay, I wanted to show only mid market and small businesses. Okay, just to press Ctrl and select these two options and click add. It's automatically added that chart. Okay, it's very interesting and super option analyze. See this, it's automatically created year wise chart. If you want to only 2014 data, just click here, now showing 2014 data. Okay, if you want 2 years data showing 88 time particular in this chart, just click right click control, press control button, click two options, it's automatically showing year wise data labels. Next one is click add button. See this, it's automatically added the chart. Okay, this is analyzing option in Power BI. Okay, please subscribe our channel Lakshmi Skills.